experimental. So let's see if it'll actually let me screen record while I'm working in Previous. And we will soon find out. So this is a little third-party CD that was from GS Corp called the Solution Suite. Very well put together. Only wish I'd have known about it back in the day. And so what I want to show you is just kind of, we're going to get to the applications, which is coming up. It's kind of neat. They describe how all this software is used, and I'll make a longer video going back and letting them talk here. But for now, I just wanted to see how the volume is on this. I'm going to try and turn it up just a bit. As well as you have to realize this was the very beginning when software was actually, Next was the first platform to make software available on CD-ROM. So many of you are familiar with Virtuoso.
You can learn more about the third-party products available in the Solution Suite CD. Simply select a product from the index. Want to see a self-running Watch Me demo of the product?
So I'm going to go ahead and click Virtuoso, and I'll let the developer talk.
Welcome to Virtuoso 2.0, the long-awaited upgrade to NeXTSTEP's premier layout and illustration tool. What's new? Lots. Virtuoso 2.0 now lets you create multiple-page documents and has sophisticated new path operations. Virtuoso 2.0 can edit its own EPS files. And now, Virtuoso has perfect cross-platform file compatibility with Freehand 4.0 on the Macintosh. So let's have a look. In fact, if you've been looking at the Solution Suite CD-ROM, you're looking at Virtuoso output. Every piece of artwork, from the screens to the page design, was created with Virtuoso 2.0. Here is a multi-page document. Notice that different page sizes coexist peacefully on the same work area. Here's the page inspector where you can add, remove, and resize pages. Let's double-click on one of the pages. It now sizes to fit in our window. Virtuoso 2.0 lets you create illustrations, place, resize, crop, and rotate scanned images, and create flowing columns of text. Virtuoso gives you typographical control you would never expect to see in an illustration program. You can set hyphenation and justification, leading, tracking, horizontal scaling, baseline shift, and much, much more. Virtuoso's sophisticated layering system makes it a breeze to manage complex illustrations like our Solution Suite blueprint. You can selectively hide or show a layer just by clicking here. You can also lock a layer by clicking on the lock button. No more accidental deletions. To change the order in which layers appear, just drag them up or down. The topmost layer in the Layers Inspector corresponds with the topmost layer on the page. Virtuoso gives you the ability to freely and precisely manipulate any object on the page using a variety of transformations such as resize, flip, rotate, skew, and more. All objects on the page are created equally, be they vector graphic, scanned image, headline, column text, or whatever. They can all be manipulated in the same fashion. Let's have a look. But best of all, Virtuoso has up to 99 levels of undo. It is rumored that if you undo often enough in Virtuoso, time will go backwards and you will become younger. Your pants will flare, your t-shirts will become tie-dyed, and puka shells will magically encircle your neck. However, these rumors have not been substantiated and are not covered in the product's warranty.
Well, we're in 2024, so I guess that's true. We're looking at 1992.
Anyway, back to reality. With Virtuoso, you can move elements on or off the page, or between pages, with the same fluidity possible in the good old days of manual paste-up. No boxes, regions, or frames to get between you and your creativity. You can duplicate elements and then constrain their movements by using the Shift key. Virtuoso also interoperates beautifully with other NeXTSTEP software. Here's a Quark page opened up in Taylor, the visual PostScript editor. Let's copy this graphical element. And paste it into Virtuoso. Virtuoso reads and writes Adobe Illustrator format, even through the pasteboard.
This was very advanced for the day.
Notice you can still manipulate the paths of this graphic. Let's go back and get some text from the same Quark page. I select the text, and using Taylor's Reconstruct Text command, I can grab this column text as fully formatted rich text.
And I guess that's the end of that demo. You have to realize that drive size, we were talking about 2 gigabyte, and so sound and video files took up a lot of space. But it's pretty neat the way they've done this. And I think what I'll do is go through all these apps, and I'll just put them out there as a series on my YouTube page, because I think it is of interest, and then it kind of gives you guys an idea of what all these mystery next third-party applications are, and what their functionality capabilities are as well. So that being said, I'm going to see if I can halt this recording. And I start that by getting out of previous here, Control-Alt-M, and then figuring out, as I'm kind of a newbie at screen recording as of earlier today, I have done it on other platforms in the past, on Mac I should say, using different apps. So I think I just have to click this stop.